Until finally, 6 years after work had begun, the cut stone mastaba tomb is complete. The monument is colossal. It rises over 25 feet in height, its base stretching over 200 feet in length. But inspecting his completed work, Imhotep isn't satisfied.
Imhotep had really high aspiration.
Imhotep approaches Djoser with an ambitious new idea that will transform the course of history. In ancient Egypt, the architect Imhotep is pitching an innovative new idea to his king, Djoser. The rectangular mastaba tomb that he's built from stone isn't grand enough for a god on Earth. He wants to stack several mastabas one on top of the other, forming a step pyramid.
They build mastaba on top of mastaba, each one slightly smaller than the rest.
Impermanent material in ancient Egypt.
The idea is that it literally, in hieroglyphs, the step pyramid